Thank you for choosing my video. You are listening to Neet Cognition and Educational Channel for Excellence. Today is day 10 of Neet 2026 exam preparation. In class 11, physiology is very important chapter. There are two reasons why you should not miss physiology. First reason, it is one of the important section in biology which carries high weightage. It forms a foundation for your first year medicine, because in first year you will be studying physiology as one of the subject. So today we are going to see the important points in nervous system. I have made it in such a way that even during the last minute of your exam you can easily study it, remember it, as well as revise it very quickly. They help our body to stay in balance, which means, what is the word for balance? Physics, what you say to keep it in balance, you use the word equilibrium. Whereas in physiology, we use the word homeostasis. What is the word? Homeostasis, which means in a state of balance. In a state of balance. Okay, so nervous system is very important because nervous system is the one which controls the whole body. Let us see the first MCQ question here. What are the two types of nervous system? Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Then second question here. Central nervous system is divided into brain and spinal cord. Second question, what are the two parts of the central nervous system? First is brain, second spinal cord. We will leave the spinal cord as for now and we are going to study only about the brain. Third MCQ. This is very important. What is the covering of the brain called as? It is called as meninges. So the covering of brain is called as meninges. Fourth question. What are the layers of meninges? From the outside to inner, that is, you have skull, then you have dura mater, arachnoid mater, pia mater, then you have brain. Okay, this is one important question. Fifth, that is, which is the layer which is present in close relationship with the brain? The answer is pia mater. The middle layer is arachnoid mater and the outermost layer is dura mater. They can ask the order from outer to inner or inner to outer. Then you have fifth question. What are the three main parts of the brain? Very easy. Forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Sixth question. That is, what are the parts which comes under forebrain? You have cerebrum, thalamus, hypothalamus and corpus callosum. And seventh, what are the parts which are present in midbrain? Cerebral aqueduct and corpora quadrigemina. Eighth, what are the parts which forms the hindbrain? Pons, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. The ninth question, this is important question, often asked question. What are all the parts which forms the brainstem? Midbrain, pons and medulla oblongata. These are all very easy, basic but very important questions.